Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Porsche Cayenne guys and you're trying to find where your EGR valves are located. We will explain on the 4.5 engine and we'll demonstrate where they are located. Really hard to reach. We'll explain how to reach them guys in case you need to remove, clean one, anything like that. But you just hope that doesn't happen because it's not easy guys. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, new EGR valve, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Specifically on this guys, generation Porsche Cayenne, we're planning on having even more than 300 videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. So let's explain what we have here guys. Now the EGR valves, where they're located. We started taking our vehicle apart. We actually replaced engine mounts, we replaced differential. You can see how many parts we have laying down here. We had to drop the whole subframe to replace the differential and the engine mounts. So if you have a vehicle like that, this is a weak spot guys, and check out the videos will be on the channel. In the meantime, we'll be doing now valve cover gasket replacement. We're leaking oil everywhere and it's terrible, so all that will be on the channel guys. Check out the oil leaks that we have, something you hope you don't develop guys. If you're wondering where the EGR valves are located, okay guys, they're located at a very inconvenient place. You have two of them because you have a V8 engine. And that V8 incorporates two of them. You need to remove that cover as well. You need to remove your air pumps and the mounts as well. And towards the back side of the engine, on the back side you have the EGRs on the very back side. Now you can reach the bolts from underneath and I'll show you where. You will need to remove your engine splash shield here. If you don't know how to do that, we have the video for oil change on Cayenne and that explains how to remove that. Okay, how to remove actually guys that splash shield. Let me just get to the EGR. So come on the back side towards the transmission, and if you keep looking guys, okay, that device, okay, right there on top, okay, let me focus a little bit, that's your EGR valve. You can see EGR valve right there, right above the exhaust, two bolts holding it in place, and you have one more on this side, okay, which is even harder to reach guys. Okay, but it's all the way above that thing. Okay, it's above, okay, right there. I'm trying to focus it, okay, right there above the differential. But you can see guys what I'm talking about. That's where the EGR is located. You can see where the bolts are. Okay, come on, focus. It's having limited light, so a little bit of hard time focusing the EGR itself. Let me come back. Okay, perfect. You can see where the bolt is and the other bolt as well. So that guys, okay, that's your EGR valve and you access it from the bottom and from the top at the same time. We've done quite a bit of work to that vehicle. We'll be actually cleaning ours very soon. Video will be coming, everything how to clean EGR, but you get the idea what needs to be done. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.